In today's tutorial, we're going to cover one of the fundamental skill in Photoshop, creating a neat document. And whether you are a beginner or just looking for a quick refreshment, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in. Okay, so the first thing first, make sure you have Photoshop open on your computer. And if you don't have it installed yet, you can download it from the Adobe websites. And once you are all ready, so you can launch the Photoshop. Okay, so in Photoshop, creating a neat document is very easy. Simply navigate the file menu in there, or you can click over the create new and help to create the documents. Okay, so I'll use the file menu at the top left corner of the screen. Click over here and select the new, and when you select the new, our dialog box will be up here. So here we will have various presets for your documents, like Photoshop's presets for common documents like the photos, print, art, and illustrations of mobile film, and also the video. Okay, and also you can choose for a preset based on your project requirement. You can need a custom size document. You can just do you can adjust the width and height manually. Okay, so let's go to or you can select from the recent one and you can use from here, or you can just start with the presets from here. Let me use for the new one, and you can also set the resolutions. Like before, I'll select the name, then I can give you this one as you can just say the PSD, this one, and you can select the width. So for example, if I say this will be 1080 and the height will be the same, I'll keep this one, and also you can select the pixels, and I'll use the pixels and resolution, and it will help you to give the high resolution. Okay, so for this tutorial I'll use the 300 and this one, and use the pixels, and also you can use the color mode from here, and use the color mode. Let me choose the RGB, the background content. You can use here, and I'll use the background contents will be the white, or I can make the difference one from the here. Choose the colors. Okay, so for this tutorial, I'll use the white colors in there and hit on the OK. And then also they will affect the quality and the appearance of your projects. Okay, and also the color profile you can select from here. Okay, I'll select this one, and this is the default one. Pixel expected ratios, and you can use here the square pixels, and here the several options you can choose over. Okay, so this is the square pixels is the default one, and you can use it and explore additional options, like you can find there also the artboard in there, and also which are useful for designing multiple layouts in the document. You can also set the orientations, like here you can use the portraits or orientations in this one, or you can just set the artboard, so it will give you the answer of the artboard. Okay, so before you click create, take a moment at the name and your documents and choose the location, how to do, or where we want to easily select from here, and it will give you the documents of your destinations. So do you want to use it? Okay, so once you have customized your document settings, go ahead and click and create buttons, and Photoshop will generate any documents based on your specific specifications. Okay, so and there you have it. Creating any documents in Photoshop is simple. Also, that remember the key to understand your project requirements and adjustment the settings accordingly. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.